one of the best quotes of the 21st century, as he states, "Just bury me in the ocean with my ancestors who jumped from ships because they knew death was better than bondage." Crazy enough, but the history of that quote actually happened off the coast of Georgia, as in 1803, IGBO captives who came from West Africa decided to drown themselves rather than to be enslaved. That story is capable of still living today due to the fact the Gullah Geechee descendants continue to tell the story of the Igbo nation and what all they endured and what they was willing to do so that they wasn't enslaved. Now, if you was ever wondering where this location may be, crazy enough to say, it is actually located off the island of St. Simon's. As time has progressed, they finally put up a history marker on St. Simon's Island that actually speaks about the Igbo captives, which you can find there, called Igbo Landing. Even though the specific location is not marked, it is actually where you have the bridge that actually connects St. Simon's Island to Brunswick, Georgia.
Hello, wonderful people. I welcome you again today. It is a very special day where we celebrate our ancestors who choose to drown themselves instead of life in bondage, instead of life in slavery. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Igbo landing. Sometime in the future, in 1803, May, like this, our ancestors who were kidnapped in the shores of Omambala River, or in the shores of in Amambala Aguleri axis, and shipped forcefully shipped from Omambala to Boni, to Calabar, to Boni, and to America. We are remembering them today, their memories, for what they fought for being really defiant and chose death over slavery. This is what Ndibo are known for. We are never to bow to any human being forcefully or in any coercion. And also, I call upon Ndibo everywhere they may be around the world, at home here, to support our initiative, Nwanne'm, our international unification project. This project will certainly wake up Ndibo everywhere around the world, just like what we have done in Nigeria with the Unified Igbos now, where we have really cost our people, where we have really started a movement that have woken up the consciousness of our people to identify with their ancestry, to identify with their identity. What is happening in Igbanke, in Ekpon, and every other Igbo community is a testament of what God has designed, what God can do. This is a godly project. It has the hand of God all written all over, as you can see. We are not backing down, we are not stopping. My name is Chukwemeka, and I am leading this movement. I am the convener of the Unified Igbos Now movement, and I am also leading this expedition, this movement of discovery in all the African countries that has Igbo. We are talking about Gabon, we are talking about Equatorial Guinea, we are talking about Ghana, we are talking about Sierra Leone, Liberia, we are talking about Angola, South Africa, we are talking about the Caribbean, Haiti, Jamaica, Barbados, Belize. The Igbo ancestors that were shipped from here to the Caribbean, to the Caribbean nations. We are going to, with the help of God, unite every person as Ndibo. The identity, the Igbo identity, will be glorious once more and very, very powerful at home here and also in diaspora. We will be working with every strong hands who are willing to also partner with us. We are open for partnership in every level. So come join us, come join the movement. Nwanne'm shall succeed, just like the Unified Igbos now is succeeding in Nigeria, where